Oh, oh yeah. Oh! Well, this is what happens when the river's too low to go fishing. Your boat becomes a shelf and a collection of all kinds of stuff. So we haven't been on the river in about 2 years because of a drought that we've had. But that's all going to change today. I'm going to clear all this stuff out, and Spencer and I are going to head to the river. We're going to see if we can find some giant flathead catfish. Stay tuned. All right, it's been 2 years and it took us about 4 hours to get up here. The river is dangerously creepy, scary low. We were dodging logs, even in the jet motor. There will be very little planing out in this stuff, but we made it all the way up to our favorite spots. We've been fishing these spots for years, and this is pole 1 of 2022 that's going in, so feels good to finally be back on the river.
Lively bait, just like we like them.
All right, 9 more to go.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror.
Okay, I have to do a little motor work here, so hopefully I'm talking loud enough. But Spencer's putting in a pole that's very near and dear to us right now. Well, not the pole in particular, but the spot. Last time at this spot, or one of the last times at this spot, we caught our PB monster of a catfish. Something we looked for years and years. So let's see if we can capture some more of that glory. Maybe she's gotten a little bigger. So hopefully we could get some more of that slime on our hands in the morning.
All right, so our bait of choice has always been live bullhead. These are a good bit on the smaller side than typically what we prefer, but we were kind of up against the time and trying to get ready. So this one will do just fine still. We take our hooks, oftentimes we run anywhere between 8 and 10 aughts. For these little guys, we'll run the 8 aughts. There's a really tough portion right in front of their fin right here. You'll take your hook, press it through, and it'll just come right out the other side, just like that. And you only have about, I don't know, 1/4 or 1/3 inch of the flesh that goes right there. But it's a really tough spot on the fish, so they can't pull out of that. Bluegill, green sunfish, things like that, it doesn't always work because this is not as tough. But that's why we like these bullhead, well, and for other reasons. It's a really tough spot. They stay alive a long time, and they're great bait. I think I'll just go on this side.
All right, that's it. 10 poles in. We'll see you guys in the morning. Hopefully there's some big whiskered creatures waiting for us.
All right, good morning. It is day 2. We set 10 bank poles last night on our favorite stretch of river, and the river is definitely skinny. Dropped a couple more inches last night, but we are back to check our poles. We're gonna see if we've got a little bullhead hanging on still as bait, or if those were gobbled up by the big old flatheads. So it's a beautiful morning. It's a little cold, but here we are. We're gonna give it hell. Let's see what we got.
does have a fish on. Look at that. Oh, it's taking her down.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it actually might be pretty good.
Flathead!
Hey! Woo!
Look how dark it is. Oh, this makes me so happy. Man, she's a beaut. Wow. Oh, it's too cold for that. It's too cold for that.
Wow,
bud.
look at the color of that
I know,
thing.
it's a beaut, man.
Goodness.
That's an awesome fish. Wow.
First flatty at 22 is a beaut.
Yeah, it's
Look
not,
at the yellows.
I know.
Oh, baby.
That is just an awesome fish. I don't know if I've ever seen one quite like that. CPR. All of our fish, almost all.
Occasionally we get
All of our
hungry,
fish,
but not very often.
usually if we gut hook one, we'll keep it. We don't want it to go to waste, so if we gut hook one, it's not doing well, we'll keep it and eat it. But I don't know, 98% almost, they all go back after we just enjoy the crap out of them. And here we go. And the geese are here to watch. Thanks, buddy. It's gone. There we go. First pole's loaded up. Absolute beaut.
All right, coming up on pole 2 and 3. We're thinking there might be a fish on at least one of them.
Boy, that line is out.
Yeah. That could just still be the bait, I suppose. That was a little channel.
Ah!
Oh, you were right. Tiny little channel cat here. Man, he ate a bullhead that's almost as big as him.
Oh, now.
But
Sorry, pal. All right, bon voyage. I mean, I think it's either snag or a good fish.
I saw it bob a time or two while you were fighting the channel.
It's just a can. Oh yeah.
3 pole. Can we go 3 for 3? This thing's got a haunch to it. There's almost certainly a fish on. No, no, maybe not.
There's a fish on, but it's not. Wow. I would have.
A giant channel.
Yeah.
Holy smokes, look at the size of that channel.
Boy, I was thinking a nice flathead.
So was I.
Very surprised. Oh, screw off. There.
That is a big channel cat,
That is
though.
a good channel.
Goodness.
Yeah.
That's a big one, though. Oh, yeah, you hear that?
They're not nervous.
Whoa.
Yeah. He's not happy about this.
Sounds like a bullfrog.
All right. Well, we're 3 for 3, but 2 of the 3 weren't the right species. But what the heck? I'd rather catch one of these than have a blank pole.
Yep.
So, see you, buddy. Nice spider up there.
Oh, yeah, I love it.
Channel or flathead?
Don't know, kind of look channel-y.
Channel. Flathead.
Hey!
Oh.
Small? Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, he tried to.
He was hungry.
Look at that! Holy smokes! I don't. Is he even hooked?
He's not hooked.
He's just got the flathead in his or in the bullet in his mouth, maybe. All right, got that bullhead out. This bullhead did not survive.
Ooh.
A little stanky, but bye-bye. We do have a fish here.
Surprise!
Rolled up to this, our old honey hole, and didn't think we had one.
flathead.
Oh, flashy. Oh, another pretty one. Perfect hook set on that one.
Yep, good hook set.
Yes.
Boy, they're not active on the poles. Like,
Yeah.
usually, you know, we come up to the pole and they'll start to bob and move, but
I wonder if this is cold.
I bet it's just shut them down a little bit. Yeah.
It's getting a little bit chilly.
They are.
Good fish. That's a little
Beautiful.
more normal to what
Yeah.
we're used to seeing. Yellow belly. Not as dark as that other one.
That's a nice. It's a lot smaller than we were looking for, but
Good looking cat though.
yeah. I was trying to get out of my glove out of his mouth, and then he. Yeah, that's a cool fish. They're colored so nicely, you know.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, no reason to weigh this guy, or we're gonna let him go and check our last 4. So, fingers crossed.
5 for 6 though.
5 for 6. Big old belly. See you, bud.
We're suspicious here. Something's going on.
7-pound channel cat. Hello.
Some heft there. Oh, something a little bigger here. Oh yeah, there's a flatty.
Nice
One of those
flatty.
dark ones.
Oh man, I love this. No. Ooh. Oh.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's a good one.
There's a nice one. Wow. He wasn't gonna go anywhere. Dang. I hooked myself. Biggest catch of the day. There we go.
Look at that one.
That's a good.
It's probably a 20 pounder.
Yeah.
Maybe a smidge over.
It's probably in the 20s, yeah.
Pretty looking thing.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Absolutely gorgeous. Is that? Oh,
A little muddy. He's been down.
a little muddy, but that's just. Yeah, that
Dark.
camouflage pattern is just awesome.
beautiful.
Man, I could stare at these things all day, you know. All right. Well, we got 3 more poles to check. I'm gonna finish gawking over this one and just. Yeah, that's so cool. Look at the side of that. Here, let me get you this. Yeah, that's super cool. All right, thanks, buddy. You were fun. We appreciate you. Oh. Sweet release. Snake. Get out of here, snake.
There's a snake?
Yeah.
I don't like snakes.
Just throw over it. Sorry, I'm on snake control currently.
Glad we're in a boat.
There's still fish there.
Oh, still a fish. I think there's one on the next one too. Feel hefty? Oh yeah, that's
You want to take it?
bigger yet. No, go for it, man.
Yeah, this is a nice fish, I think. Oh, yeah.
Oh, oh yeah. Oh, woo!
That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Oh!
Yeah! Look at that!
There
Oh
we go.
man!
There we go.
Yes.
Man, that is a beaut. What's up with that?
I don't know.
Man, it's the same thing.
Looks like you've been dancing with a girl.
Oh! Don't distract me like that.
That is beautiful.
Yeah.
As he comes to greet me.
Say, hi buddy. Hey Brent, how are you?
That's a 36 or 38 pound flatty right there.
Mid to upper 30s, yep. Oh, it's got blood all over our stuff now. Oh yeah. That's a good fish. That is a good fish. Pretty long.
Man, that's awesome.
Yeah. Oh. Love it. Don't you just love it? Man, I've missed this.
What a hog.
Oh, you're a beaut. You are a beaut.
Oh, no, that's still just the bullhead. Feisty little guy. All right, that spells the end of the bank pole trip. First one in 2022, and with the way our rivers are, could be the last. But man, we did pretty good. I think 7 of 10 poles had cats on them. Spencer fought him like a champ. You got some blood to show for it. Oh, that's funny. I'm gonna fall down here. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We try to get out videos every week, very much similar to this one. So we'll give you as much as we can and then some. So thanks for watching.